In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove apps from your Roku. First thing you want to do is hit your home button. Scroll over to any of these apps. We'll just pick Hulu here. Now on this, you'll see a little star. You're going to click the star button. It's going to load the channel information. You want to go up and hit remove channel, and it wants to confirm you want to delete it. Hit remove, and that's as simple as that is. I hope this helps.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.